After 3 days of severe nausea and vomiting, my daughter was rushed to the hospital and had to have emergency surgery because of those pens. Did you ever wonder why they let the gelatin trick go viral? Because the viral version doesn't work. It's a decoy. They want you to fail, so you go back to the $1,000 injections. Here is the version they tried to scrub. With this simple morning 3-ingredient gelatin mix, grab a pen and paper and write this recipe down. Take a look. This was me at my heaviest. And honey, I know I'm no spring chicken, but now my belly fat is gone. And best of all, I did it right from my own home when I first saw it on a short NBC and Women's Health piece that wasn't meant to air about a gelatin plus 3-ingredient mix top celebs used to melt stubborn belly fat. I had tried everything, low carb, low fat diets, none of those worked. Since the start of the year, I've kept the weight off, and I actually sleep throughout the night without getting hot. Even at my last checkup, my doctor said, whatever you're doing, keep doing it. That's when I knew this was real. It's too simple, too effective, and it's digging into Big Pharma's profits. That's why they try to remove it every time I've uploaded it. But you're in luck, because I saved the short clip that shows you exactly how to make this simple morning gelatin mix. Just tap the Learn More button below and watch it now before they take it down for good.